And make sure you hurry.
Don't worry, Gram. I'm on my way to the store.
Hi, Maya. Oh, careful, don't slam the door. Maya sure was in a hurry. Is everything okay, Dexter?
Maya just got a strange phone call. Apparently her Gram is going to jail if Maya doesn't buy a gift card and give her the card number.
That doesn't seem right, does it? Hold on. There was just an alert from the regional center about AI scams going around. Let me find it.
It was a day like any other day at Sunny Oaks, until Maya got an unexpected call. Will service provider Nova find out Gram is headed for the slammer? Or that a person she supports has been tricked by a scammer? My name is Eva Eldorado, the world's greatest cyber detective. Today's case is about strange phone calls from people who aren't who they say they are. Calls that often target perceived vulnerable populations, including the people you support. I call this the case of the Gram scam. AI phone scams. Using artificial intelligence, scammers clone voices or generate convincing phone calls to impersonate loved ones or authority figures, manipulating victims into providing money or sensitive information.
Here it is. There's been a rash of scams targeting people, just like you described. I'm so glad you said something, Dexter. I've got to stop Maya from buying that gift card until we really know what's going on with her grandma.
I'll come with you. The cybernetic overlords must be defeated.
I agree.
Great. How do we do that?
They're not the only ones that can use technology. A little social media search might help.
That would be acceptable.
I found one, Gram. Let me buy it and I'll call you right back.
No. You can't hang up.
In the shadowy world of cybercrime, we call clues flags. And it's important for service providers to know how to spot them. Flag number 1. Someone calls and asks for a lot of money. That sounds suspicious. Flag number 2. They are desperate and in a hurry. Flag number 3. They demand an unusual form of payment. Gift cards, wire transfers, or your bank account details. Now you've got yourself the trifecta of trouble. Add a refusal to let you hang up. And you're not just being hurried, you're being hustled. Let's see if Maya can see through the scam and find her real Gram.
All right, let's just activate this non-refundable gift card.
Maya, wait! Look what Nova found.
Maya, your grandma's not in jail. She's on a cruise ship.
But I'm talking to her right now. If I hang up, she'll go to jail.
No, she won't, because it's not Gram. It's an AI-powered voice modulation system, meticulously engineered to clone her voice in an attempt to steal money. If you don't believe me, ask her something only your grandmother would know.
Gram, what PowerPoint presentation did I give during my 13th birthday?
See? They hung up because they couldn't answer that question.
Technology may be advancing, but it can't read your mind.
Well, not yet anyway.
And I've also confirmed with the police. Government agencies don't take gift cards as payments.
I could have sworn it was her.
How about you call your grandma, Maya? I think it'll make you feel better.
Oh, Maya! Hello!
Gram, where are you?
On my cruise, of course. Oh, B7. Bingo! I'll call you later, love.
You were right. She's totally fine. I can't believe I fell for that.
Oh, dear, it can happen to anyone. The important thing is we caught it in time and you didn't buy the gift card.
But we could buy more ramen.
That would be acceptable.
Looks like Nova helped Maya crack the case in the nick of time. They checked the story inside and out before Maya handed over her hard-earned dough. So if you think someone you support may have been scammed, encourage them to talk about it with you or anyone they trust. And if you suspect something, report it. The more eyes on a case, the better. If you have any questions, reach out to the regional center or your trusted associates. And remember, you don't have to be the world's greatest cyber detective to spot the signs of cybercrimes.